Guys, welcome back to S.A.M Gamer, and today I'm doing something special because from the last time I actually did 1 TNT to 200 TNT. So this time I'm doing a 500 TNT and a 1000 TNT. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you can never miss one of the videos of S.A.M Gamer. So let's light this bad puppy. As I'm in puppy, I'm in TNT. Okay, light it up. Oh my. I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so. Oh my god. Oh my god, sheep's died. Look at this big hole. Compare this to like the other TNT. Oh my god, this is a big hole. Just for 500 TNT. And so, my game's still a little bit lagging. But let's try the other TNT. Which is the 1000 TNT. And since I'm gonna go to survival because I want to try to survive this. Which is a 99.9% I'm not gonna survive. Okay. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna light it. Go, go, go! Oh my god. That looks like it. Oh my god. That was giant. Is there any other more TNT? I think that's it. But guys, look at it. I'm actually surprised with two things. One, I was able to survive that. Two, what the heck is this hole? OMG. 1000 TNT equals this? Oh. It's like fireworks. This is the 500 TNT. But this is the 1000 TNT. My game's still a little bit lagging. But guys, that'll be the end of the video. And as usual, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. And before that, I'll do one more thing. One TNT tower. Yeah. Okay guys, see you later in the next video.